Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this really pretty 3-tier rotating vanity tray using items that I purchased from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, just keep watching. For this project, I used 3 of the round Dollar Tree 8-inch mirrors, 4 of these pink glass candle holders, some pink self-adhesive diamond wrap, 1 of the love signs in silver, and because I couldn't find a Lazy Susan at Dollar Tree, I purchased one from Bed Bath & Beyond for $4 with my 20% off coupon, some of the Rust-Oleum metallic spray paint, my E6000, glue gun, and glue sticks. I have the complete list of what I use down in the description box. So the first thing I did was separate all 3 of the mirrors and cardboards from their frames, and I spray painted 2 of those frames and my Lazy Susan with the metallic spray paint. Once those were dry, I used my E6000 to return 2 of the mirrors and the cardboards back to their original frame. I then used my E6000 to glue 2 of my candle holders together. I then cut my adhesive diamond wrap into small strips. Each of the strips had 2 rows each. I then added the diamond wrap around each of my 8-inch mirrors. Even though the diamond wrap is self-adhesive, I still added some hot glue to each end of the diamond wrap just to make sure that it stayed in place. I also added some of the diamond wrap in the center of the 2 candle holders that I glued together. I added the diamond wrap around my love sign as well. I then used my E6000 to glue my love sign right in the center of one of my 8-inch mirrors. I'm using my Lazy Susan as the first tier of my vanity tray, so I use my E6000 to attach my last 8-inch mirror right on top. I then used my hot glue to attach the diamond wrap around the sides of the Lazy Susan and the gemstones on top. My next step was to clean my mirror and add some E6000 to attach my first set of candle holders. I then use my E6000 to attach the second tier of my tray, and then the second set of candle holders, and then my final tier with the love sign right on top. To complete my design, I added the silver garland around the bottom of the candle holders and around the bottom of my love sign, and some of the gemstones to the second and third tier, and here was my finished look. I think this turned out super cute and is great to organize perfumes, makeup. The possibilities are endless. I made this in pink and silver because it is a Valentine's gift, but this would be beautiful in any color. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.